The doorstop is a floor-mounted design and is strong and incredibly easy to install. Our doorstop is made from solid 304 or 316 stainless steel by casting process. Solid stainless steel by casting process makes the product firm and durable. The wall-mounted doorstop not only can be used for home, bedroom, bathroom, office etc., but also can be used in other applications beyond doors. We have been producing doorstops for world-famous brand merchants for 25 years. The doorstop preventing the wind from closing the door suddenly. High standard rubber to prevent damage to the door and avoid noise.